There are a lot of crown-like structures, sitting in the front row, and I'm gonna close my eyes. Art and candles and wall painting. I saw people crying inside, being super emotional inside. They have all the things set for opera tonight. A beautiful decoration of art everywhere. Art and candles and wall painting. It feels holy inside, man. Not gonna lie. Feels super holy inside. It's also dark and have a lot of paintings, There's a statue where Mother Mary is saving Jesus, and other wall painting. There is like some art on top of the exit. There is like some kind of stairs here. So this is the main attraction. I think so. A lot of people are feeling so emotional here for some reason, because this place is so holy. Some art over here as well. There's some wall art. There are glass arts, wall arts, architectural art, architectural marvels, I would say. A lot of things going on over here, man. A lot of things. I feel it's $15 is worth this entry. You see window glass arts. That's a different type of art. And there is like a proper picture frame art, which is different form of art. And you see this kind of architectural staircase. It's pretty beautiful, man. Pretty beautiful. So many things happening. There are lights. There are like statues. In between, in the middle of the statue, there is Jesus. On top of the cross, there is something going on as well. There are a lot of crown-like structures, It's really beautiful, I would say. So I'm just sitting in the front row, and I'm gonna close my eyes and pray to Jesus that everything should be good for me, my future career, my whatever path I'm set to. I'm gonna pray that God gonna save me. So I'm gonna just close my eyes for a minute. There are several architectural marvels over here, which is very hard to describe. You see the top, there is some kind of light being reflected to center the light to the cross over there. That's what I feel. It's really marvelous architecture, man. You know, whatever struggles, whatever journey you have undergone, the end result is the view. The end result is what you get. So what I got is something holy, something beautiful, something artistic. So I'm pretty proud that I did this journey to come see this marvel, come see this architectural marvel over here. So this was a truly really masterpiece, man, and I was like baffled by the architecture and arts and the number of colors it had inside. Oh my god, man, I was so mind blown. You know, it just feels like whatever journey I had to reach here is totally worth it. You know, I was totally mind blown. At a point of time I was thinking like, where have I come to? You know, I was like so mind blown by this architecture and everything. You know, I could never believe my eyes for 1 second. And the amount of chandeliers it had inside, the golden stars, the blues and purples and azures. It's a photography heaven for sure. But more than that, there is some holiness inside it. I saw people crying inside, being super emotional inside, and this place really moves the people, I guess, really move their emotion. I also felt at some point like little bit emotional for some reason. I don't know why. It just I also felt like little bit happiness and also combined with little bit sorrow. This place is something else, man. You need to come yourself and experience it and see what you feel and what you realize after coming here. Just once in your life, man, you should come here and see the architecture yourself. And this is the outside of the church. This is the church, and outside of the church have a lot of stars. Once the sun dims off and moon comes up and there are night all around, darkness all around, you can see the stars twinkling brightest when it's so dark. You know, it's pretty cold here, and low-key I'm kind of freezing inside, but it's still fine, I guess, because the statue on the church and the stars and the trees, lights add some beauty to this place, overall beauty to this place.